kitty or do you?
That is nice. What's that? It's a kitty.
Yep, and I just made that print today actually.
Wow.
And you want to give do you want another one for your other kid?
You know, that's really nice, but maybe another family. Since we have one.
They're not very expensive for me. These are only like maybe 16 cents of plastic.
Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, I'll give one to him then if that's
Hey,
okay.
which one do you want, doggy or kitty?
What do you say?
You're welcome.
Nice. He made that. Can you say thank you? Thank you. That's
Yep,
very
and
nice.
if you want, there's actually a lot. I have a bunch in here. I just made it the last 2 days.
That's very nice.
Yeah, they only take an hour and a half, like 2 hours for the cats to make.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like your kitty. You have a great kitty at home.
And there's no glue on that.
Okay.
That's actually all pre-assembled on the printer. Does your kid want to have a 3D print?
Would you like a 3D print, honey?
Yeah, a kitty or doggy?
Would you like a kitty?
And,
Can you say thank you?
Good morning, guys.
Thank you very much.
yeah, good. Print for the other kids.
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Hey, my dragon. You want a dragon or a dog? Oh, did I give her one already? No. Okay. You want a dragon or a dog?
You'll see a big tall pine tree.
Can you help me out?
So kind of you. Thank you.
Okay, I will. Here's. Does she want this?
Oh, cool.
And they all move around. You want a kitty or a dog? Oh, you want a dragon? Okay. I'll help you out. Yes, dragon. You're welcome. You want? Oh, you want one? Okay. You want that? You're welcome. Do you want a dragon or a doggy? I even have kitties.
You want dragon? Yeah.
Okay. And yes, I made them on my 3D printers.
Oh, nice.
Do you want one? Or do you want a kitty? Huh?
I'll take a dragon.
Okay. And yes, I just made these in the last few days. These dragons only take me an hour and a half.
Nice.
Yep. I printed them on my 3D printer. Do you guys want a dragon or a kitty? No, dragon or a poochie? I even have kitties on hand.
I'm a kitty.
Oh, you want a kitty? Kitty, give me 1 sec. Can you open this bag for me real quick? And you guys take one kitty.
Oh, this one kitty?
Yeah.
I mean, this one.
That's a doggy.
Oh, okay.
You can give one to your kid if you want.
Oh, I got for him already.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Does your kid want a dragon? Did you mean this? Okay. Or did you mean this?
We are still working on raising about $57,000 to finish renovations that are needed. So that's where we're at on this project. We're in good shape. Opportunity couldn't pass up. It wasn't budgeted and it didn't cut any. So we
You want the kitty or dragon?
with this group of 60 that we have your feedback and your consultation present.
You're welcome.
So
Where I was at is called St. Bernard's, and I've been going to church every once in a while. I went with my mom. She's currently sitting down. And St. Bernard's is right next door to Lincoln High School in Thief River Falls. We're up north, Minnesota. This was all spontaneous. I did not even have it planned. I basically started printing 3 days ago. Basic. I asked the preacher before I started, and he gave the okay. Yeah. I recommend you guys subscribing because frankly I'm probably going to be doing similar videos of this for the 3D print channel. I loved it and them kids were very happy.